I'm trying my hand at some Egyptian falafel today, which is called tahini. We lived in Egypt for 5 years, and every day we would go downstairs to the little guy cooking falafels and making French fry sandwiches. We would probably eat that every freaking morning. It was amazing. So anyway, I'm going to put the recipe that I'm following in the comments for you guys. I'm following it to a T except for the dill. I couldn't find any fresh dill, so I'm using dry dill. I soaked the fava beans overnight. It says to put everything minus the sesame seeds into your food processor. So let's go ahead and get that done. First, I'll be adding the 2 cups of fava beans and a half of red onion. Half a cup of parsley. Half a cup of cilantro. A teaspoon and a half of salt. A teaspoon of dill. 3 cloves of garlic, which I didn't have, so I'm using minced garlic. Come on out. 1 teaspoon of cumin. 1.5 teaspoons of ground coriander. If y'all can smell this, it smells amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and get the lid on. I have the oil heating up. I got a little bit of the falafel in my hand. So that's what you're gonna do. And then you're gonna take a little bit of the sesame seeds, put that around there. Just like that. I have a few made, so we're gonna go ahead and drop them in the oil. These are turning out so pretty. Look at that. This was definitely a process, but it was so worth it. I'm going to put the recipe for you guys in the comments, and I'm gonna put the link in the link tree for the food processor. Y'all definitely need to try this. Look how beautiful. Oh my gosh, y'all come eat.